Hello, my dear students. We are going to discuss about classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds, remember, the compounds which contain only one halogen atom on the basis of the hybridization state of carbon of CX bond. That means we are going to classify monohalogen compounds on the basis of the hybridization of the carbon with which halogen atom is attached. So on the basis of the hybridization state of the carbon, of this carbon, we can have two kind of monohalogen compounds, dear students. First is compounds containing CsP3 hybridized carbon attached with the X bond, means X is attached to such carbon which has hybridization sp3. And second is compounds containing sp2x bond. sp2 means X is attached to that type of carbon, hybridization of which is sp2. Alright, so first of all we'll talk about compounds containing CsP3x bond. So such kind of compounds can be classified into three categories. First is haloalkanes, second is allylic halides, and third is benzylic halides. In all three classes, X is attached with that carbon which has hybridization sp3. Haloalkanes, dear students, in my previous video already I have given you idea about haloalkanes. Now in the haloalkanes, X is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. These haloalkanes, depending upon the degree of carbon, are of three types. If you remember, first is 1 degree, second is 2 degree, and third is 3 degree. 1 degree alkyl halide can be represented as RCH2X. This is 1 degree carbon, and X is attached to such carbon, the hybridization of which is sp3. 2 degree can be represented as R2CH single bond X. This is 2 degree carbon which has hybridization sp3. X is attached with it. 3 degree can be represented as R3CX. Here 3 alkyl groups are attached with this carbon, so it is 3 degree carbon, but its hybridization is still sp3. So this becomes the example of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. Now allylic halides. What are the allylic halides? Allylic means when halogen atom is bonded to a carbon which should be sp3 hybridized, and this sp3 hybridized carbon is next to a carbon-carbon double bond, means see somewhat like that. Two carbons are bonded with double bond. Alright, and with these two carbons, this sp3 hybridized carbon is attached, and with this X is attached. So this situation is called as allylic, and such kind of halides are known as allylic halides. So I can give you certain example of this type, dear students, like CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond X, allylic halide. Alright, similarly I can have one more example. It's a cyclic example. Now see here, these both are doubly bonded carbon, and this carbon is next to the doubly bonded carbon which is sp3 hybridized. Now with this, if any halogen is attached, this also becomes the example of allylic halide. Now we have third one is benzylic halide. Now what is the meaning of benzylic halide? It means X is attached to such sp3 hybridized carbon. X is attached to such sp3 hybridized carbon which is directly attached to aromatic nucleus. Remember, halogen is attached to such sp3 hybridized carbon which is directly attached to aromatic nucleus. So I can have some example like benzene nucleus, CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. I hope it is clear, dear students. So depending upon the hybridization sp3 attached to the various kind of carbon, this classification must have been understood. Now we'll look towards the next class. The next class is the compounds containing CsP2X bond, means X is attached to such carbon, hybridization of which is sp2. X is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon. Now on that basis, dear students, we have two types of compounds, vinylic halides and aryl halides. What is the meaning of vinylic halide? Vinylic halide means X is attached to a doubly bonded carbon, directly a doubly bonded carbon. This situation is called as vinylic halide. This is sp2 hybridized carbon. If I give you the direct example becomes CH2 double bond CHX. This is vinyl halide. Now a cyclic example also I can give you here, dear students. Now see, this is a cyclic compound where these two carbons are doubly bonded. Alright, I am going to compare these two examples. Similarly, nucleus is similarly. Here X was attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. So this became the example of allylic halide. But here, if this X, in place of attaching itself to the sp3 hybridized, it attaches itself to the sp2 hybridized carbon. Alright, here. Then this becomes the example of vinylic halides. Alright. And the last is aryl halide. Dear students, they are very much familiar to you. They are aromatic halogen compounds. Like here, halogen is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized. This is sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic nucleus. So chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene all become the example of this class. I hope, dear students, this classification must have been understood to all of you.